Meet your new buddy. Well, buds, I guess. These are the new Google Pixel Buds. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today we have the new 2020 Google Pixel Buds right here. And since I've done about, I don't know, like a dozen different unboxing videos, not quite a dozen, but close to a dozen different unboxing videos this month, I figured why not keep the train rolling, and since I have these in the package right here, unbox these. So we are going to unbox the brand new Google Pixel Buds. I'm actually pretty excited to try these out. As you guys know, I am the proud owner of a Google Pixel 4 XL. I love this phone, but let's see if the Pixel Buds could have the same effect. So per usual, we are going to unbox this thing, but first, we gotta get rid of the cellophane. Let's do this. Woo! You know, it's been a while since I've actually been able to use my unboxing knife. Feels good. Always cut away from you. Little Cub Scout trick right there. That should be good. Let's open this up. And here we go. Quick look at the box. You have the Google logo and the Pixel Buds on the front. You have a little side picture on the side, Google on the other side, and a little image of what they actually look like in your ear on the back with some more information on the bottom, of course. But let's see what's inside the box. Every time I can't, I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm just gripping it wrong. I don't understand. There we go. There it is. The Google Pixel Buds right here. Wow, so as soon as you open up the box, there they are. We will get to these in just a second, but before we do that, let's see what else is inside the box. Underneath this little tab right here, we'll put that to the side. We have, oh, there's your different ear tip sizes right there in case you need to swap them out. Definitely be sure to hang on to those. Those are gonna be important to have for the most customized, comfortable fit when wearing the Pixel Buds in your ear. And underneath that, we have another little tab right here, which is, okay, your USB-C charging cord, which does come with your purchase of the Pixel Buds. So nice little USB-C charging cord. I feel like I can never have enough USB-C charging cords. The lightning cords, I got probably 2,000 of them, but USB-C cords, can never have enough. So you get a nice little cord with that. Also in the box, one more little packet of information here. We're gonna open this up. We have what appears to be the manual, which unfolds like that. You can see the touch controls, the connect, association, all that stuff built in, and that you're gonna need to figure out right there. Also, underneath that, we have some warranty, safety information, all that good stuff, so I'll read that later. But back to the Pixel Buds. We'll move the box out of the way, we'll move the ear tips out of the way, we'll move the charging cord out of the way. Focus on these babies right here. We have a little cellophane to remove, so let's do that. Just like this. If I could find where to actually start it. Okay, we're gonna just, where do I start it? Oh, there it is. Okay, we have a little tab right here. So we're gonna undo this tab, and here we go. I'm struggling today. There's like no sexy way to do this after all. You just, there you go. I guess that's considered sexy. Let's open these puppies up for the first time, shall we? And there they are. Ooh, they look pretty good. Sleek and stylish, I gotta say. Right outside the box, I like it. They look pretty good. This is something you could definitely fit in your pocket. I like how it's a small form factor right here in case you need to carry the charging case around with you. But the buds themselves, I gotta admit, they are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. They're not that large after all. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger than this, but no, pretty minimalistic. I like it. You have a little bit of a wingtip kind of situation on top here, which allows you to kind of fit it into your ear better. And of course, since these are earbuds, I'm gonna put them in my ear, model them for you. Here we go. I believe you just kind of stick them on in like that, maybe? Yes? No? Okay. There they are. Already off the bat, they have some pretty good passive noise cancellation too, so something of note right there. And then I could just put this charging case in my pocket if I want, but to give you a little close-up look, excuse my very long hair, I'm in desperate need of a haircut, but besides that, There's what they are. My beard probably needs a little bit of a trim up too, but ignore all that. Take a look at those Pixel Buds. So all in all, they look pretty good. I'll give you a close-up look at what those look like. Not bad, not bad at all. I'm curious to see how these guys actually sound and hold up in terms of battery life. That's pretty much it for the unboxing right there, but I do want to give it a little first initial test. That first time hearing earbuds is always the most exciting, so pop them into my ear. I've got my Google Pixel 4 XL right here. We're gonna use this puppy to actually test these things out for the first time. And to do so, I forgot I actually have to put the Google Pixel Buds in the charging case before, you know, actually using them for the first time. I just have the Pixel Buds in the case. They're gonna pop up on my phone. I'm gonna click that, and there they are. Brian's Pixel Buds are connected with 100% battery actually, which is pretty cool. So now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna fire up Apple Music on the Pixel. I'm gonna put in the Pixel Buds into my ear. 1, 2, nice, you hear a little whoop sound in your ear to know that they're connected and on. I'm gonna make sure they're sitting properly in my ear. Okay, that feels good. Let's listen to a little Billy, shall we? Crank it up a little bit. All right, I'm listening. Oh, the beat's coming in. All right, I hear the bass. There's definitely bass in these babies. They sound pretty good. Right off the jump, I'm impressed. And in case you didn't just catch that, there actually are gesture controls or touch controls, whatever you want to call them, controls to allow you to control your music built into the Pixel Buds, including volume control. So I could actually swipe forward to turn up the volume, swipe it back to turn down the volume. That is amazing. This is not a Pixel Buds review video. This is just an unboxing video, but that deserves special recognition because they have on-earbud volume control these days, like they are built into the Pixel Buds. Amazing, huge round of applause, just deservedly so. So I love the fact that they have that. I'm just gonna say it. I'm pretty excited to put these Pixel Buds to the full test. I have a feeling, based off of what I just heard and just the general specs of them, these are gonna get a pretty good review, but gotta wait till the actual review to find out whether or not that's the case. So that is the quick unboxing of the Pixel Buds, the new 2020 Pixel Buds. And I love the minimal setup. I love the LED lights. There's a lot of things going well for these Pixel Buds, I will say that. So we will give them a full test. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you do not miss that full review video of the 2020 Google Pixel Buds. And if you guys want to find out more information about the 2020 Pixel Buds, you guys could actually head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/2020 Pixel Buds, bmac.link/2020 Pixel Buds, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below. So definitely be sure to check that out, and do me a favor, based on what you've heard or what you've seen regarding the Pixel Buds, what are your thoughts on the new 2020 Pixel Buds, or the Pixel Buds 2, whatever you want to call them? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you think they're going to be awesome? Do you not think there's something you're going to touch? Leave all your thoughts in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. I am going to go put these Pixel Buds to the full test. I'm just going to go through my entire library, literally, the whole music list. Just kidding, that would probably take, I think, like 20 days or something like that to go from song 1 to song 2 million. So I'm not gonna listen to the whole library, but I am gonna listen to quite a few songs. Put these babies through the ringer, actually put them to the full test. Oh, I just heard the little chime song, startup sound effect again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Billie Eilish gets me going a little too much, I guess.